Hello. So this is a brief video to explain the reaction paper you have to write both to Nanette's book, which is From Shattered to Restored, and also a basic recovery text. Okay, so Nanette's book there's a PDF version on the Blackboard site. Some people like to do that. I guess there's some app that can read from the PDF. I don't quite understand it, but students have requested that in the back, so we have that. So Nanette's book doesn't take a long time to read, but when you read it, here's what you want to do. You're going to read it. You're going to write a reaction paper. This is not a dissertation. This is not a thesis. Don't worry about AP style. This is a reaction paper. First of all, I want you to briefly summarize her book. Then, as you read it, you want to look for three things that you can relate to. What I mean by that you can relate to is three things in the book that you find that resonate within you, that you find similar to an experience you had, a thought you had, a feeling you had, okay? We're looking to connect, a connection, a similarity between her story and your story. Three things that strike you as reminding you about something about yourself or your journey, okay? So that's Nanette's book. And then you also will choose one of the other texts from your professional library, not Becky Brassfield's book on groups. That's a great book, great resource to have. You can run groups, but not that one, but any of the other ones. There's the AA book. By the way, if you read the AA book, it's just the first 164 pages. That's the basic program, and then it's people's stories about how they worked it. The NA book, there's Dharma Recovery, which is a Buddhist approach to recovery. There's, I believe, one on cognitive behavioral therapy. One on, I think, DBT. I don't have the list in front of me. Choose one of those books and do the same thing. Read it, summarize it briefly, and then talk about three things that remind you that resonate with your feelings, your thoughts, your personal lived experience. We're looking to make connections and find similarities here, okay? So, if you have any questions, let me know. And I would not, Nanette's book does not take a long time to read, but some of the other ones might take a while. There's also the Life Ring book, which is the atheist, they would say secular, I would say atheist approach to recovery from substance use disorders. There's a Celebrate Recovery book in there, which is an explicitly Christian approach. I try to throw in some more mental health ones than just addictions or substance use disorders. All right. Well, let me know if you have any questions, and good luck learning.